play the game?
Oh, you want me
no,
to
here,
video?
you hold it first.
That's what I'm
you can do
saying.
it. Okay, so
Oh,
my
God.
What am I videoing? Just your hands? Or do I have to get you in the picture so that he can see that it's you?
I don't care. So here goes. She keeps her hands like this,
It's a hand game.
and she puts them like this.
Oh, am I recording? Yes,
Yeah,
I
it
am.
should be.
18 seconds in.
So all you do is you have to go like this, and you do straight elbows down. I guess there.
With
But you have to kind of lock your elbows, or it doesn't count. And you have to do it with your eyes closed. So you try to do.
And the
as
record?
Many, yeah, you're supposed to be really good.
Without hitting each other?
yes.
Without hitting. So if I hit,
You count. That's fail.
that's a
Okay.
fail.
Keep going though,
Okay.
because the record is
100. Nick did 164. Here, let Sarah try it.
I don't know.
Come here. Take a video of this.
yes,
Yeah.
because Nick won't believe it if anybody beats his record.
160. I have to do this.
164.
And I have to do like this?
Yeah, but you gotta keep your eyes closed and do it. Okay. Wait. We gotta count though.
5, 6, 7.
Shut up. Do not say something and get her all messed up and not knowing what she's
13,
doing.
14.
She's doing good.